Let's take a look at this. So you mean to tell me they wasted time and effort creating this image to make a false image of the American people or the true indigenous people? No. Negroes are the true people of America. Canada all the way down to South America and all the islands. It belongs to us. And we are those people. So this is an African in New Orleans. Do y'all know who this is? Come on now, stop playing. We know who we are now. We know the truth. It's y'all in denial. Y'all saying people wasted their time creating this to put the fake people of America on this rock.